Yeah, so if you are tired of paying too much for Apple TV subscription, this video is for you. And before I continue, this video is for educational purpose only. Yeah, so here are the things you need before you'll be able to enjoy this offer from Apple TV or Apple services. So before we start, you need your iCloud in the state or Canada or anywhere outside your home country. So if you are living abroad and you still have your iCloud details in your local country, make sure you check the first link in the description below. You find my Telegram channel. I have a tutorial on how you can be able to switch or change your iCloud into USA or any other country of your choice which supports all the Apple services and their offers. Yeah. So before I continue, after changing your details into USA or Canada or any other region, you need to enable Apple Cash in your settings. So just make sure you have your Apple Cash turned on in Wallet and Apple Pay, or even if you go to your App Store, you have that details over there with zero balance. Yeah, so after doing that, it's just simple. Make sure you check the second link again in the description. Tap on the link and it will direct you back to Apple TV. You need to accept whatever pops up, and after that, you get up to 1 month Apple TV free. You enjoy movies or shows or documentaries. The downside is it's only for Apple TV, not Apple TV Plus. So shows or movies that requires Apple TV Plus, you need to pay the extra for just those movies or documentaries here. And I'll see you again in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, you got something from it, make sure you like, subscribe, and share it to a friend as well.